Hello everyone, today we will be making chicken poppers. The ingredients needing for this recipe are 500 grams of boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 egg, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can use garlic paste. 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and 2 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Now in a kadai, pour enough oil for frying. In a separate bowl, add in your chicken cube. Next, add in the salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Now, if you don't have garlic powder, you can use garlic paste. To this, add 1 egg. Now mix this together until the chicken is nicely coated with the egg. Once done, keep aside. Now to make a dry mix or a coating for a chicken, in a separate bowl, add in your 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. To this, add 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour. Now corn flour helps us to make the poppers more crispy. Mix this together. Now take your chicken pieces one by one and place them into this dry mix. Now with the help of a fork, coat each chicken piece with a dry mixture. Carefully place these pieces in the hot oil for frying. Repeat this step for all your chicken pieces. Now after a minute or two, you will find that all your chicken pieces have started to turn a little golden brown in color. Now this is when you know that one side of the chicken is cooked. So you need to flip it so that the other side also gets cooked. Now after 5 minutes, all your chicken pieces will be perfectly cooked. Remove them on an absorbent sheet or a tissue paper and drain out the excess oil. Repeat this step for all your chicken pieces. Now for making the sauce. In a pan, when your pan is all heated, add in your 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, your 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, two tablespoons of water. Now after adding the water, when the bubbles start appearing, now with the help of a whisk, start stirring this. Now this is the right time when you add in your chicken. Now after adding your chicken, give this a good toss or a good stir. Now make sure all the chicken pieces are coated with all of that sauce. And there you have it, your chicken poppers are all ready to eat. Now you don't need any sauce or any condiments to go along with it because it itself is very saucy and spicy. I hope you like the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.